Hey guys, I'm Stephanie. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to be showing you what's in my April Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. Okay, so we're going to start with unboxing this Ipsy bag, well, Ipsy box. It's the Glam Bag Ultimate, which means you get 12 products in the box. So let's start with the bag first. This is such a cute little bag. Ipsy just recently started adding bags again because of feedback that they had gotten before. And so this is such a cute little cosmetics bag. If I can, you know, make this happen. It's so cute. Now we have the REALHER Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. This is what it looks like. Ooh, this is so cute. Okay. Here we have the Kensie Life Beat Natural Spray. Let's get the box. This is so cute. Not bad. Okay. Now we have the Ciaté London Triple Shot Double XL Mascara. It's a nice brush. Okay. Next is the Space Case Cosmetics Bronzer. This is such a cute little packaging, by the way. Does anybody else smell their makeup before, you know, like once they open it? I don't know, I think that's just a weird thing that I have. Next up is the Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush. If it's going to. Okay, there we go. This is cute. This is the shade Primadonna. Ooh, that's cute. Now we have the New Body Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish, which I think is just like a lip scrub. And it does smell like pina coladas. Now we have the Hydra Soother Balancing Radiance Cream. And this is more like a sample size. We do get samples in the Glam Bag Ultimate. That smells really good. Okay, next is the trèStique Mini Lip Glaze Set. I love these lipsticks. They're so good. I was at the dentist once and the dental hygienist asked me what kind of lipstick I use because it didn't budge at all when she was cleaning my teeth, and it just happened to be like this exact shade, like this exact brand. I love them. So this one has 4 lipsticks. One of them is Shell Beach Sheer. The next one is Paris Pink, Georgia Peach, and English Rose. Okay. Next is Lavido Inspired by Nature Pomegranate Seed Oil, Lemon, and Macadamia 2-in-1 Purifying Facial Mask and Exfoliator. Next is the Cottage Greenhouse Orange Blossom and Honey Mask. It has a pomegranate, ginseng, and orange peel. I bet this smells really good. Ooh, it's kind of weird. But yeah, it does smell really, really good. Okay. This is my, like, I was so excited for this because I get to pick one item a month, and I'm so excited because I love Yensa. When I had just like the Ipsy Glam Bag, they actually sent me a sample of their BC foundation, and it is amazing. And so I really, really like Yensa Beauty since then, and so I was really excited for this. This is the Yensa CBD Superfood Duo Cleansing Oil. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Okay, and the last item is the Enlighten eyeshadow palette by IBY Beauty. I love this packaging. It's like so holographic. It's so cool. Ooh, all of these shades are so cute. They're so cute. These are all of the items that I got in my April Glam Bag Ultimate, which I'm so excited about. So if you guys get Ipsy bags, let me know if you got the same items or what different items did you get and what you're liking and what are some of your faves. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.